Is there a better way to factor trinomials than guess and check? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle where you have to find two numbers that fit perfectly. Guessing and checking can work, but it can also take a lot of time. Luckily, there are smarter ways to factor trinomials that save you effort and help you understand the process better. First, let's look at what a trinomial is. It is an algebraic expression with three terms, usually written as x squared plus bx plus c here. A b and c are numbers and a is not 0. When the coefficient a is 1, the process is simpler. You just need to find two numbers that multiply to c and add to b. For example, in x squared plus 7x plus 12, find two numbers that multiply to 12 and add to 7. Those numbers are 3 and 4. Rewrite the middle term as 3x plus 4x, then factor by grouping to get the answer. When the coefficient a is not 1, the process is a little different. You can use the AC method. First, multiply a and c. For example, if you have 5x squared plus 13x plus 6, multiply 5 and 6 to get 30. Now find two numbers that multiply to 30 and add to 13. Those are 10 and 3. Rewrite the middle term as 10x plus 3x, then group the terms and factor out common factors. This gives you the factors of the trinomial. Another useful technique is factor by grouping. This involves splitting the four-term expression into two pairs. You then factor out the common binomial from each pair. This method works well when the trinomial can be written as a sum of two binomials. Recognizing special patterns can also make factoring easier. For example, perfect square trinomials like x squared plus 10x plus 25 can be written as a binomial squared. The middle term is twice the square root of the first term times the square root of the last term. Difference of squares, such as a squared minus b squared, factors into two binomials with plus and minus signs. Some learners find visual tools helpful. The diamond or box method organizes the factors in a clear way. You write the coefficients in a box and find pairs that multiply to the product of a and c, then find pairs that add to. This method makes the process more straightforward and less confusing. Using these methods is much more reliable than guessing. They help you see the structure of the trinomial and work through it step by step. With practice, you'll be able to factor polynomials quickly and accurately. These techniques also deepen your understanding of how polynomials work, which is useful for more advanced algebra topics. So, yes, there are better ways to factor trinomials than guess and check. Learning and applying these methods will make your algebra work smoother and more confident. Instead of trial and error, you'll have a set of tools to solve problems efficiently and with clarity.